They are going nowhere. They are part of us and we are part of them. We must live with them.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi tó mọ̀ wá lágbára báyìí ṣe ti gbọ́n tí Gumi sọ jáde lẹ́nu ó ní a lè sá fún wọn ó ní àjọ máa wà náà ni ṣé tipátipá ni kájọ máa gbé ni ṣé ẹ rí àwọn bọ́n ṣe gbé ìbọn tán kó bọ̀n dání yanyanyan everyday Gumi ó ń support wọn lójú méjèèjì wọ́n ní kò ń ṣe Gumi nìkan bàbá ti bẹ̀ tán ní pílánì àwọn Babangida àti àwọn Buhari àti àwọn pílánì tó ti wà látẹ̀yìn ni pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn kò ń ṣojú lásán ló fi ń ṣe but whichever way it is wọ́n ní ogun Trump tó dé Gumi máa bógun yìí lọ wọ́n ní Gumi ò lè escape ọ bàbá ti bẹ̀ tán ní àwọn ò tiẹ̀ rí threat as threat gbogbo tó ń sọ yẹn but tó bá yẹ pé ìlú bòmí ni Gumi will have been called to order Gumi will have been arrested but wọ́n ní wọn ò ní arrest Gumi o arrest tó ń pè yìí wọ́n ní wọ́n máa pa Gumi ni o ẹnu mi kọ́lẹ̀ ti máa gbọ́ o bàbá ti bẹ̀ tán tú pẹ́rẹ́pẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lórí bí àwọn Fúlàní ṣe ti ń plan gbogbo ogun yìí láti ẹ̀yìn wá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lẹ́nu Prophet Tibetan. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this Crossblog X TV.
Do we need to arrest? You see, when a madman is having his bad day and brought a lot of mad people from other village and assemble them in the market in the night, that doesn't concern you. He gather his own friends. Gumi will go with this war. You don't need to arrest. He's still going to go inside the grave for this. Because his brother, his own senior brother, the same father, the same mother, said it 20 years ago, or about 40 years ago, that he will never live on his birthday, that he will never live to see a Christian govern Nigeria.
Wow.
Yes, so I have to tell you, they are extremists. They are just like the other in South Sudan. Do you remember El-Bashir?
Yeah.
They look for him until now. He's already in the cage. They didn't kill him. He's in the room since then. He's under house arrest. You see, it's their mouth that will put him into trial. Who is Gumi? Who knows Gumi in Nigeria? Gumi is nobody. Gumi is not what? He's not government. If he gather his money in a fraudulent way, and then we have to go in a fraudulent manner. So all what he's saying, everybody has power to. You can say through the social media. Even a madman can say something and they will hide it. Well, let's see how it goes. It will not go down well with him. You see what happens. He cannot be as powerful more than Saddam Hussein. And he cannot be, Gumi cannot be as powerful than the Libyan president. And Gumi cannot be as powerful as El-Bashir. But today, what are they? Where are they? So a boaster can do, but little. It's not his son they are killing. He's only trying to make noise as if he loves them. He's only pushing them to what? To fire. Somebody's coming, air fire. They want to fire from the air. And then you say you have a bunker to shoot upstairs. You cannot, you just say, Gumi did not know computer. He never knew IT has covered the oil. Even his own house, as he's talking, is in their template. At any time, they may even take him like a chicken that they want to use for Christmas. They don't need to arrest him. They should leave him. So if they didn't see him again, nobody will look for him. He may likely not want to have casket. All the people who are killed, do they have a casket? No. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, sir. You have almost touched where I want to mention, bring up a question from. We are 3 tribes in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
Where comes the Fulani?
Thank you very much. I may even ask you a question from a mate that came from Cotonou to work with you.
Yes, sir.
Then for one Saturday to call, you said, Master, all my people who are doing houseboy around the cage and the Ichibu, we wanted to have a family meeting in your parlor. Is it possible?
Never.
So, my brother, they are only trying. Fulani tried this in Niger. They failed. They tried it in Cameroon, in Bangui. They failed. There are many, and this is what Awolowo has predicted before. This is what Awolowo predicted 1980, 81, 82, 83. That these Alumajiri people, they are just rearing children and living on the high streets. There will be a time when the rich one amongst the Northerners will not be able to come back home and do Christmas and do Salah and do all these things. Because whatever the hand of all these Alumajiri children found then is what they're going to use. Now they break into NDA, Police Academy, all in Kaduna. They're just sharing their munitions. So automatically, only we are now seeing the produce of what Awolowo predicted the other day. Even at times, Awolowo gathered used clothes that we should go and give it to them. And when they see the way Awolowo was acting, they said, no, we won't allow this one to rule because it may likely probe us. What are we doing now? What the government on ground doing now, probing? Without probing these people, you can. Because they just go there and take the money. See the Fulani inside CBN. Look at Fontua. Look at Bakari. Look at all these people.
Malami.
Look at Malami. Look at all of them. They are Fulani. Even to the extent, Buhari was even telling Nigerians in Aso Rock that we own together that he cannot work with anybody except Fulani people. And look at the chief judge, everything, justice, everywhere. Malami was the long-serving chief of somebody around the corner of power, all acting for another 8 years. See, so there was a time all the money they brought back from Abacha. Abacha is a Fulani man. They give it, put it in the hand of a Fulani person again. So at least Madueke and all of that, that's an able person. All the money they collected, they give it out of all the governance and everything. It's only Yoruba that who has never put his spoon into the pot for since once. Even the Yoruba that wanted to go there, Oshibaju, they made him a slave to go to market and start sharing money for market women. Until when his plane, helicopter dropped the other day. So they only make us number 2, number 3, number 2, number 3, number 2, number 3. So, but we thank God today.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for this brilliant discussions. Today, we are looking at it as many have obstructed the saying, and they said Donald Trump should not come. But today, what do we say? He has come. He has done something. But to my own surprise, Gumi said it's a mistake. That what he has done, throwing bomb into the ICIs, is a mistake. Sir, should the government be seeing or listening to Gumi saying all these things? Will he be encouraging these people to do more of their evils, or they should arrest him once and for all?